Want to program your key fob for a 1998-2002 Chevy Express or GMC Savannah? It's easier than you think and requires no special tools. First, ensure all doors are closed. Insert your key into the ignition. Quickly turn the key to the on position 4 times within 10 seconds, ending with the key in the on position. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm successful programming. If you have additional remotes, repeat this step within the 30-second window. Up to 4 remotes can be programmed. Remember, precise timing is crucial. If the doors don't respond, you may need to start over or check your vehicle's body control module. Having trouble programming your key fob? Here are some things to consider. First, make sure your remote's battery is good. A fresh 3-volt CR2032 battery is recommended. If the doors still don't respond, there might be an issue with your vehicle's BCM. Consider scanning for BCM codes using an OBD2 scanner. A code like B1TEL115 indicates keyless entry issues. Also, be aware that aftermarket remotes might not always work due to frequency mismatches. Counterfeit remotes are a common issue. If DIY fails, professional reprogramming by a locksmith or dealership might be necessary, costing around $50 to $100. Keep in mind that corroded wiring or BCM failures are more common in these older vehicles. Many online tutorials, especially video walkthroughs, offer timestamps to help with the timing-sensitive steps. DIY success rates are generally high, 80 to 90%, but patience and precision are key. If replacing the BCM, remanufactured units are available, but prices may vary.